Welcome to DubBot training for content creators. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to access your URL used as live text report. From your dashboard, locate the Quick Wins section. Here, you will find the pages on your site that contain the most issues. To view all pages with URL used as live text issues, select the dropdown Pages with Issues. Select Pages with Web Governance Issues. To view all URL used as live text issues for a page, click on the page you would like to address the issues on. In the left-hand menu, click on the icon that looks like a puzzle piece. To see where on the page the issue is located, click on URL used as live text on link. If the highlighted location is within the content section you can edit, like in this example, log into your Drupal website in a separate window and update the link. In some cases, you will find that the issue is located outside of an area you are able to edit. If this is the case, you will need to submit a ticket to web services to update the link. In your request, please provide the following. 1, the URL of the page that contains the URL used as live text. 2, the text that should be used to replace the URL used as live text. If you have any additional questions, please post them to our Microsoft Teams chat.